Hey guys, it's your private chef Radia, and today I am making the dessert of the summer. I'm making a passion fruit mousse, and it only requires 3 ingredients. How easy is that? Let's go ahead and get started. I have my passion fruit pulp, and I have my heavy whipping cream, and I have my sweetened condensed milk. And this is super easy to make. All you need is a blender. Now, I started making this dish because I hate baking. And as a chef, I find either you're good at baking or you're good at the savory side. And I am definitely good at the savory side, but I don't enjoy baking. So whenever I'm working for my client and I have to do 2 desserts for lunch and then dinner, I'm always thinking, how can I make dessert without baking? And this is the dessert. So I have my passion fruit pulp in here, and then I'm just gonna add the heavy whipping cream. You wanna use all of it. This is not a low-calorie dessert, I just wanna say that. And then I'm gonna use the condensed milk, and you wanna add that in last because you don't want it to sink all the way to the bottom. So kind of float it on top of the heavy cream, and then we're just gonna blend it, and it's gonna get nice and thick. We are done, and I'm gonna pour this in. You wanna make sure that all of your ingredients are nice and cold because it'll whip up a lot quicker. And then you do wanna put this in the refrigerator just to help it set up a little bit more, but I'm impatient, I'm gonna eat this now. So good, super creamy because of the heavy cream. It's tart because of the passion fruit and sweet because of the condensed milk. Guys, this is the dessert of the summer. Go ahead and make it. Go to my website, chefradia.com, and I'll see you guys next time.